Welcome to Tutree. Watch this video completely to create a web page where you can add the pictures like this. Let's see how to create this. On one tab, I'm going to open Repellent platform. On the other tab, I'll be keep searching for the images. In this Repellent platform, you can code for HTML. I'll start with HTML opening tag and you can also close it. Now we'll start with the body tag here. Open the body tag and close it. First, we'll give the heading here. So since it's heading, I'm going to use h1 tag. I'll write the heading like wildlife gallery. Now click on this icon to see how your web page is looking. Next, I'll be attaching break tag here, br tag, which will give me space in my web page. Next, I'll be adding an image. So go to image, pick an image that you like, copy the image address. Now come to your program and add img tag. Img stands for image. And paste the link in this way within the quotations. Now, when you reload your web page, you can see that image is getting added. I'll also set the height and width of this picture as 200 pixels so that all the pictures that I'm going to add will be looking uniform. Next, in the same way, we'll be adding other images. Just copy this image tag, paste it. This time, I'll just change the source link. Instead of this image link, I'll give another image link. Go pick another image that you like. Copy the image address of this and replace it here. Since the height and width is going to be the same, it will be looking uniform. You can reload your web page and check how your image is getting added. Continue this way, add all the images that you like. I'm going to add some more pictures here. I have attached over 4 to 5 pictures here in my web page using the same img tag. In the same way, you can collect the informations that you like. For example, if you are a travel blogger, you can collect all the images of yours in the form of a gallery like this. Hope you like this video. Watch our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.